everyone. Today we will visualize something which is invisible. Let's understand the kinetic theory of gases with the help of bubble screensaver of Microsoft. Kinetic theory of gases is based on molecular picture of matter. A given amount of gas is a collection of large number of molecules. The molecules are rigid, elastic spheres, identical in all respects for a given gas and different for different gases. The size of a molecule is negligible compared with the average distance between the molecules. As you can see, the molecules are in a state of continuous random motion, moving in all directions with the all possible velocities. During the random motion, the molecules collide with one another and with the walls of the vessel or the container. During collision, their velocities are changed in magnitude as well as in direction. The collisions are perfectly elastic and there are no forces of attraction or repulsion between the molecules or the walls of the container. The particles move in a straight line until they collide with another particle or the walls of the container. The average distance covered by a molecule or a particle between two successive collisions is called mean free path. The collisions are almost instantaneous. In spite of molecular collision, the density remains uniform throughout the gas. None of the energy of the particle is lost when it collides with one another or with the walls of the container. The average kinetic energy of a collection of a gas particles depends on the temperature of the gas and nothing else. So, that's how you can imagine it better if you are going to visualize it by the bubble screensaver. If this helped, subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you everyone.